Hello and welcome to this informative video on whether credit repair companies are worth your time and money. If you're struggling with bad credit and considering hiring a credit repair company, this video is for you. We'll start by going over what are credit repair companies. However, some important topics we'll be covering throughout this video will also involve how they work and do they really help improve your credit scores. Credit repair companies are businesses that offer to help improve a person's credit score by removing negative items from their credit report. They typically provide services such as disputing errors on a credit report, negotiating with creditors and lenders, and offering credit counseling and financial education. The goal of a credit repair company is to help improve a person's credit standing and increase their chances of being approved for loans, credit cards, and other forms of credit. However, the effectiveness of credit repair companies can vary, and it's important to choose a reputable company that uses ethical practices. Let us discuss some important factors to consider when selecting a credit repair company. Reputation and license. When choosing a credit repair company, it's important to consider their reputation and whether they're licensed to operate in your state. A reputable credit repair company should be transparent about their services and fees and have a positive track record of helping clients improve their credit scores. Additionally, make sure the company is licensed to operate in your state, as some states have specific regulations around credit repair services. Secondly, it's also important to consider the services and fees offered by the credit repair company. Some companies offer a wide range of services, such as credit counseling, financial education, and debt management, while others may focus specifically on dispute services. Additionally, make sure you understand the fees associated with the services, as some companies may have hidden fees or charge for services that aren't effective. Last but not least, transparency and communication are also important factors to consider when choosing a credit repair company. A reputable company should be open and honest about their services and the steps they'll take to improve your credit score. Additionally, make sure you have clear and open communication with the company and that you understand the process and timeline for improving your credit. It's important to understand that credit repair is not a magic trick, and it's not an instant fix. The process of improving your credit score through credit repair can take time, and there's no guarantee that all negative items will be removed from your credit report. In fact, some negative items, such as bankruptcy or foreclosure, may remain on your credit report for up to 10 years. However, by challenging the accuracy of negative items on your credit report, a credit repair company can help you improve your credit score over time. This process involves gathering evidence, such as proof of payment, and submitting disputes to the credit bureaus. If the credit bureaus cannot verify the accuracy of the negative items, they must remove them from your credit report. Keep in mind that the process of credit repair is a continuous one, and it's important to continue to monitor your credit and make on-time payments to maintain a positive credit history. It's also important to know that there are laws in place to protect consumers from unethical credit repair practices, such as the Credit Repair Organizations Act, CROA. This act requires credit repair companies to provide consumers with a written contract that outlines their services and fees, and to abide by certain practices, such as not making false or misleading statements. Credit repair can be a helpful tool in improving your credit score, but it's a process that requires time and effort. Make sure to choose a reputable credit repair company, monitor your credit regularly, and continue to make on-time payments to maintain a positive credit history. Let's discuss the limitations of credit repair companies when it comes to promising credit score increases. It's important to understand that credit repair companies cannot guarantee specific credit score increases. Credit scores are generated by algorithms created by the Fair Isaac Corporation, FICO, and take into account a range of factors, including payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, and types of credit. While credit repair companies can identify errors or inaccuracies on your credit report and challenge them with the credit bureaus, they cannot control the outcome of these disputes. Additionally, credit repair companies can provide advice and guidance on how to maintain good credit, but it's ultimately up to the client to follow through and continue to make on-time payments, keep credit utilization low, and maintain a positive credit history. Credit repair companies can be a valuable resource in the journey to improving your credit score by identifying errors or inaccuracies on your credit report and challenging them with the credit bureaus. However, they cannot guarantee specific credit score increases, and it's important for clients to be proactive and maintain good credit practices while working with a credit repair company. Credit repair companies can be a useful tool for those struggling with bad credit, but it's important to do your research and choose a reputable company that uses ethical practices. If you're unsure, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor or credit counselor to help you make the best decision for your financial future. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful.